So what I'm doing again, okay, I'm just truncating this first table which is created. Okay, actually here you don't require to create a specific table name. Okay, that model, whatever you give a model, right? Accordingly, it will take the table name. So if I show you here, my first DBT model. hmm, Same, it got created as a table here because you have assigned this here as a table here. You see here. hmm? So the configuration materialized view equal to table you have given, right? Okay, so it got created a table. If you give a view, it will create a view. Okay, so now here, what I'm doing again, you see here, I'm executed the table. Okay. Hmm. Now executing the data, I'm getting ID 1 and null. So what I will do now? Okay, so here I will truncate the table. Sorry, drop the table. Drop table name. Okay, and execute. So my table was dropped. Now here select star from. I'm trying to execute this again. So what is happening? You don't have anything here. Okay. So it is deleted the table. It's saying that does not exist, not authorized. Now what I will do? I don't know why this is coming again and again here. Okay. Now what I will do? I'll go to the DBT. Okay. So here, okay, first I'm going to execute my first DBT model.sql. So here what I'm doing? So run DBT run hyphen model. Please remember this hyphen model. DBT run hyphen model. Copy this model. Hmm? Okay, here you will get entire path here. Okay, so you are under same path only, right? So you just remove this path till here. Hmm? Remove it. Okay, once you remove this path, okay, then enter. Simple. DBT run hyphen model space that file. So now if you execute this, okay, it will see it is executing now. Okay, start the SQL table creation completed successfully. Pass one warning error skip total 0 nothing. Okay, now if you go back to the SQL here, okay, here and now when you execute, you will get see you got the data. Okay, you got the data 1 and 2. So this is how we need to execute. Now the below query, okay, what is doing this below query? Already we created a table under table, okay. So here we created a data and now here what we are saying? We are saying again create under here what we are saying just we are selecting and executing this. Okay, we are not saying anything here. So now what I will do, I will try to execute that also and see what will happen. DBT run, sorry, DBT run hyphen model. Okay, I'll copy this one, second model, and remove this path because it will not consider this C. Okay, this will not take care. Actually, C colon is the right. It will not read as a SQL file. I'm executing now. So this is also executing completed successfully. Hmm. So now we will see what is the output in our Snowflake side. So first I'm executing the same table, okay, and seeing do we have any difference. Okay, I have a one and null. Okay, here refresh it. Here also I have same and go here. Okay, if you see here, my view got created actually. Okay, one second. My view created. Now I'll drag this view. Sorry. Pressing emulator. Select start from view. Okay. So we have given a filter condition, right? Accordingly, it got created. So if you want to create a if you want to create a table, just give this config materialized equal to table. Assign this one. Okay. And if you want a view, you can give a just a reference and a select star from. Simple. Now what we will do, we will create a tables from another database. Okay. So coming to this Snowflake. So we have many databases here. Okay. So I'm just going back here below table and under okay, just taking the TPCHSF1. Okay. Under that we have a tables. Hmm. So here customer table, line item table, nation. Okay. Supplies part orders I have. So what I will do, I will take this order table first. Okay. Order table, place the name editor. What is the schema? This you see, this is the database and this is schema. Hmm? Now select star from. Okay. I'm executing. So we have the data. Hmm? We have some data. Okay. So what I will do, I'll copy this query into Notepad for suggest. Now I'm going back here. Okay. Under my DBT schema, under table there is no table of orders. Now you see I will create a I'll create a orders table under my DBT. How? And you just check. Okay. So what I do, so same something just I'll create a same like this. Okay. Again with the CT table I'm creating. Okay. uh, what I will do, I'll create a my SQL file with my first orders data. I'm just creating as I'm like, okay, and then select a star from this table. Okay. I'm just giving like this. Okay. Now with my this query, what I will do, I will paste this. Yeah, directly you can create a select charm also, not a problem. I'm just going back here. I'm creating a model under example. Okay, now you see, create a new file. This new file, my I'm just creating same as it is my first. What is that? That temperature first orders data. My first what happens? Edit, control do edit, rename. My first orders data. Dot SQL. I have given it. What I will do, I will copy paste this entire this thing and paste it here. Okay. So that now what I will do here in the comment, welcome to your first DBT model. Okay. What I will do, extracting the data from another schema to our DBT schema. Okay. And here table type is creation type, like this will keep creation type is table. I created, and then when I created by Hanif and created date 25/07, okay, 2024. Okay, this is my comment, and here I will not touch anything here. Okay, and I will copy paste this query. Okay, here, simple. So this and all I don't require. Okay, I will remove it. I don't need this. Okay, so what I have done, just select star from this schema. I'm just creating a table under my schema with my first data, and the same my first DBT model. Sorry, my first orders data set I have created as it is. Okay, and save it. Or else you go here. Okay, save. Now let's try to execute same thing. Here DBT run hyphen model my orders one, and then coming back here, removing that path. Okay, executing, running, started, completed successfully. Now go back here. Okay, under my DBT schema there is no table because I have not refreshed it. Now I am refreshing my first orders data. Now I will drag here. Sorry, we cannot drag, right? So place the name in editor. Select star from. Okay. Okay. You can see the data. So what we have learned today, to this will create a data, right? But maximum when you are creating a project. Okay, so this is some examples I'll show you for this week. Okay, and next week onwards, what we will do, we'll create a project. Okay, direct project. So now what is our task? Means the task is one. It is clear. Okay, task one is load the file into a table. That is the task one. And the task two is table to table table data copy. That is just now I have told you. I mean, I have shown you. And the task three is okay, generate the file from table. I mean table data. So these three steps we need to perform, and then later scheduling part. Okay, scheduling part, those things we will see. And calling model inside a model. So these things also we will see. Okay, but now first we will try this one, and models and macros one by one we will go slowly. Okay, before that, so this task we have. So what you guys have to do, what is your responsibility, means you need to understand what is the use of analyze folder in DBT, what is the use of macros in DBT, what is the use of models in DBT, what is the use of seeds in DBT, what is the use of snapshots in DBT, and what is the use of target in DBT. So these things you need to learn. Okay, so that is very, very important. So if you learn those, right, then it is easy for me to move forward easily. Okay, any questions? Hello, I will stop the recording now. Okay, and then we can discuss the stop recording.